The London Thames DIY walking tour lets you see as many London attractions, and in as little time, as is possible. The route is completely flat, and will take anywhere from 2 hours to a full day to cover. And because it is indeed a DIY walking tour, you can take it at your very own pace. Lingering at the London attractions that interest you the most, and breezing past those that don't. Stopping to eat or drink where, when, and for as long as you like, and with over 100 places to stop and eat or drink along the route, a pit stop is always just a few steps away. Plus, as attractions are visited in a specific order, absolutely none of your valuable London time is wasted by backtracking. Allowing you to make the best use of your limited London time, with as little effort as is possible. So relax, and really enjoy your London visit on a DIY walking tour.